It still looks like a war zone. I went back to April 16th or April 17th before 7:40 or whatever the time was. My name is Poopsie Volchik. I live in West, and I now have my sister living with me, Jeanette, and her husband, James, and would have it no other way. My name is Jeanette Holochek. I live at 1410 Steel Meadow in West, which is considered Zone 3. Zone 1 was minimal damage. Zone 2 was more damage. Zone 3 was total devastation. Somebody came by and said, y'all need to get out of here, that can blow. And it just knocked me backwards. And I looked to the right, and about that time it was just a whoosh, and all the bricks started falling on me. Called Jeanette's house, and I didn't get an answer. I called her cell phone, called her cell phone, called her cell phone. She finally answered and said, Loretta, my house blew up. And then she was gone, and I couldn't get her back. The last thing I remember was sitting at a friend's house down Reagan Street down here. And I said, Betty, I can't, and it's Jeanette's friend too. And I said, Betty, I can't get hold of Jeanette. I don't know what's happened. I said, her house blew up and I can't reach her. And Betty told me later that at that point I just collapsed on the ground, and I don't remember that part. We also lost those 15 people. That sign of life, new life, it'll all be back. I've got to enjoy Westfest. I know this is depressing, but I love Westfest. I love the people. I love talking to people from everywhere.
A Westfest visit is not complete without our Czech kolaches and strudel.
I see support, caring, fun, friends. It all comes down to people caring about one another. As far as life is moving on. There are things that need to be happening that aren't happening right now, but it will happen. That's just the government red tape.
A Westfest visit is not complete without our Czech kolaches and strudel, made famous by our Czech culture.
What do you guys want to do? You want a polka? This is the two-line polka. Grab your partner. Let's do it.
President Obama said that America needs more towns like West. What does West do best? We take our own in.